What is Bitcoin, for beginner? Bitcoin is a digital currency created in 2009, by a mysterious figure using the alias, Satoshi Nakamoto. It can be used for all kinds of transaction, that accept Bitcoin as payment, but it differs in several key ways from traditional currencies. Most obviously, Bitcoin does not exist as a physical currency. There are no actual coins or notes. It exists only online. Real-world currencies, like the dollar, are managed by a central bank such as the U.S. Federal Reserve, which manage the money supply to keep prices steady. They can print more money or withdraw some from circulation if they think it's needed, as well as using other monetary policy controls such as adjusting interest rates. Bitcoin has no central bank and isn't linked to or regulated by any state. The supply of the cryptocurrency is decentralized, it can only be increased by a process known as mining. For each Bitcoin transaction, a computer owned by a Bitcoin miner must solve a difficult mathematical problem. The miner then receives a fraction of a Bitcoin as a reward. The use of problem solving in this way is the reason Bitcoin is known as a cryptocurrency. Bitcoins are generated after a block of data is processed, creating a block of transactional data in the Bitcoin network. This is accomplished through a Bitcoin mining client, although this function is no longer adequately performed via regular central processing unit, CPU. The forecasted number of produced Bitcoins is 21 million with an expected completion date of 2040. Bitcoins may be purchased or sold over the Bitcoin network and are considered secure because during each transfer, each Bitcoin must be cryptographically signed. A Bitcoin user is required to employ a public key, private key and Bitcoin address, for each transaction that occurs as a peer-to-peer transfer. A record of each transaction, using anonymized strings of numbers to identify it, is stored on a huge public ledger known as a blockchain. This acts to ensure the integrity of the currency. The system can act as a payment network that has no downtime, it's operating 24/7, it doesn't care where and to whom you send money. Hope, now you got an idea what the Bitcoin is? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to our channel.